Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add automatic arrow bullet list table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add automatic arrow bullet list. Firstly, insert from table. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click. Now click for table option. Then select from a row and columns option. Now select from all table. Now click for line color, then click for black color, then click for border option, then click for all border. Firstly, automatic bullet list. Now select from any columns. Now going to the home menu option, then click. Now click for a bullet list option, then select from a arrow bullet list. That is. Now you can see add automatic arrow bullet point. Now select from others. Now select from a row, then click for bullet option, then select from a arrow bullet points option. That is. Now you can see add automatic arrow bullet point table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for